Let's make a loaded corn casserole. Creamy corn, cheese, and bacon are some of the ingredients that make this dish stand out. I'm Wendy, and this is the Baker's Loft.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in a collaboration, and the theme for this collaboration is Thanksgiving sides. It's being put on by my friend Melissa from I'm Merrily Melissa and Christy from Christy's Farmhouse. And I know there are lots of other channels that are participating in this challenge, so you're going to get a lot of ideas for what type of sides you might want to put on your Thanksgiving table. When I thought about what I wanted to make as a side dish for this collaboration, I wanted to make something that you could not only use for a traditional Thanksgiving dinner, but also any day of the week. So I'm preparing a loaded corn casserole, and loaded is the key word here. So let's dive into this recipe.
To start, you'll need a large bowl so we can prepare our batter. Add 2 eggs and whisk them until they're combined. Now add your melted butter and continue whisking.
Now we need to add about an 8-ounce box of cornbread mix or corn muffin mix. This is Jiffy. And we'll just mix this about. To this, we're going to add a can of corn that is drained. You don't want to add the juice. And now for our cream corn. I don't know about you, but cream corn, oh God, is a little off-putting to me. I don't eat it plain. If I'm using it, it's always in some sort of a dish. Okay. And last but not least, we have our sour cream.
Make sure you mix everything really well. Your batter's going to take on kind of a whitish color.
Here's where the loaded part comes in. We have our shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup, scallions, this is about 1/4 cup, diced red bell pepper, 1/4 cup, and this is a 1/2 cup of bacon. I'm using turkey bacon today. This is our red pepper, scallions, and our cheese.
I really love all the different colors of our ingredients in this batter.
This is a 2-quart baking dish that I have sprayed with nonstick spray, and we're going to pour our mixture into it. Our loaded corn casserole is ready for the oven. We're going to bake this at 350 for about 45 minutes or until it's lightly golden on top. See you in a bit. This turned out so well. Now let's dress it up a little bit. I forgot to mention earlier that you might want to cut a little extra red pepper and scallion and bacon as a garnish for on top if that's what you want to do. And that's what I want to do. So first we're going to start with the red pepper, and I'm just going to lay it out in the middle. Now for some scallions. And here is your loaded corn casserole. I definitely think this will be a hit on your Thanksgiving table.
So let's spoon some out. It really comes out nicely. And if you look, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but you can see red pepper, scallions, and bacon all throughout.
Thanks for joining me today, everyone. I really hope you make this loaded corn casserole for your Thanksgiving. And don't forget to watch the other videos on the playlist that I'm going to have in the description below. I'm also going to have full recipe in the description as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day, everyone.